Greetings, friends. You remember this yarn? Well, the sweater isn't going to work because the only needles I have in the appropriate size are straights. And I don't have enough to knit it flat, seam it up. Not to mention I don't like seams. They're not the prettiest. So I am going to take these needles, since I don't use them ever. I'm going to take them and turn them into circulars. So wish me luck. Just kidding. Let's get into it. Well, I did it. I had to drill a hole. Can you? Of course not. There we go. I had to drill a little hole all the way through it, but then I was able to screw on to my existing cables, and now I have a pair of 25mm cables, which is more usable than straights. So, thanks for joining me. Well, that didn't last long. This one has unscrewed and won't stay screwed. This one, still nice and secure. So, yeah, let's see what I can do. Perfect. The cord is fraying a little since I twist as I knit, so a nylon coated Air Force cable would be much better. But all in all, they work, and I'm happy with how they turned out.